Hello students, it's your professor Dr. Mink. This is a short video showing you how to get started with a new Visual C++ project from scratch. So here I have Visual Studio 2017 Community started on my desktop. I'm going to come up here, upper left, select File, New, Project, and from the list of project templates I'm going to select Visual C++ Empty. There's a box here to create a directory for a solution. Make sure that's unchecked. And here's the path on your hard drive. C:\users / the username. I just happen to be logged in to Windows as Bill, / source, and then repository or repos. And it's going to give it a default name, or you could change it to whatever you want. I'm going to call it my project. Okay. Then you want to make sure you have your Solution Explorer displayed, and if not, you go over to View and you'll pick Solution Explorer or Control-Alt-L if it's not displayed, but mine is by default. You're going to come down here to Source Codes and you're going to right-click, Add, New Item, and we're going to add a C++ file, which is a C++ source code file, and it will have the .cpp extension. Notice it defaults to the name source.cpp, and that's okay if you use source each time, because this source file will also be placed in a folder that carries the same name as the project, which in this case was my project. Add, and it will open it on the desktop. So let's just say I'll put a comment, my first C++ project, and I'll just put a couple statements. I'm going to include IOStream, and we're going to explain all of this in class, and I'm going to using name. Notice as you type, you'll see options. You can even pick them to make sure you don't spell them incorrectly and get a syntax error. And then I'm going to start my main function. And I'm going to declare it as an int, and I'll put the braces, and that becomes the scope. And I'm going to explain all these statements in very significant detail in class. So I'm just going to put one output statement, cout, insertion operator, and I'll end that statement with a semicolon, and I'll put a breakpoint on return 0. I'm going to come up here, save all. I'm going to run my program. And you'll notice when it hits the breakpoint, down in the system tray will be my console. And there it is, hello world. And if I hit continue, we're done. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.